Frontiers of Development event brings together people from different disciplines and working in different sectors to come and talk about the big challenges that we're facing and how we can get together to address them. You get to meet new people who may be working in fields that are slightly different to yours or from regions that you haven't been working in before and starts to make you think about looking at problems a little bit differently.
Participating in Frontiers of Development, I think, gives so many benefits, but I think the main thing is the opportunity to dialogue with people from so many different backgrounds, the intersectionality it provides. So it's given me a chance to meet people from so many different countries and so many different disciplines, people from governance, people from tech, people from urban planning, but it's up to us to listen to the local people and then have a continuous feedback, like have a top-down but a bottom-up approach that works together in a continuous feedback loop. And yeah, I think that's a way to find solutions.
Interdisciplinarity for me is foundation because it helps us empathize on what is in other fence, in other shoes, so we can understand the real problem, the complex problem that cannot be addressed in only one or two disciplines. So I've always been in love, say, with interdisciplinarity, and I think it's more and more important today. I would really suggest that through all of the disaster manager workers, practitioners, scientists, or even not in a disaster issue, in other topics, to participate in such event because it's so interactive, it's enlightening, and it frees your mind to discuss in many different possibilities. Also at the end, you get to access this kind of seed funding that you can utilize to work together even more closer, and I think that's also very important in building network.
Frontiers of Development is a unique gathering of professionals who have certain expertise and actively doing research, but at the same time, they have a common and sincere commitment to contribute for sustainable Earth. I think Frontiers of Development is a very timely because the collaboration with different disciplines would be easier. I think this is the time when civil engineers, electrical engineers, mechanical engineers already recognize the importance of social science in the things that they do. And I think I will not have difficulties convincing them to include me in their projects because I will be able to contribute in the social preparation, in making people understand and appreciate the things that they do.
I think an interdisciplinary approach and collaborative approach is really important because the world is a complicated place and to understand the complexity we need all kinds of knowledges and disciplines to come together to understand the situation and also to propose solutions that are going to be appropriate for the context. If I were to describe Frontiers for Development in 3 words, they would be interesting, innovative and inspiring.
The benefits of participating in Frontiers of Development event is that in 3 days you get a network of 54 individuals from 23 different countries. It's a fantastic opportunity to network with individuals from different disciplines, different countries, learn about different experiences, and really expand the knowledge of an individual. So I found that as a really great opportunity. An interdisciplinary approach is important because I think the future is interdisciplinary. I think we're at a point of time where technology allows us to actually cross the gaps between different industries, between different disciplines, and I believe that actually this cross-disciplinary approach or I can say that all the innovations are going to come from crossing the bridge between different disciplines.
My name is Jair Torres, an independent consultant working on disaster risk reduction and resilience. I have been supporting many UN organizations, private sector and universities on different areas of DRR: school safety, multi-hazard early warning systems, policy for DRR, etc. Being here in a symposium of Frontiers of Development is a great opportunity, not only for the possibility to meet other people from other disciplines that can help me to create a better network of specialists that see from different point of view the same kind of challenge or problems that development are posing nowadays. So I think that is very beneficial for all of the participants that are here, including myself, to meet other people that have another thinking and another point of view about how we can really target the development goals and the targets that we have set, for instance, on the Sendai Agreement.
I really like the buzz that the event has and the multidisciplinary nature. I met people with low background, medical doctors, urban planners, urban designers, and digital technology entrepreneurs. And most importantly, I hope and I'm sure that it will have benefits for the practice, because it doesn't matter how many research we do, it should come to the practice at the end for the benefit of people and for communicating all benefits and collaborating with local communities.
Hello, my name is Eser Çaktı. We are at Kandilli Observatory right now, and then I'm actually in the front of Department of Earthquake Engineering. With Royal Academy of Engineering and Boğaziçi University, we were involved in the organization of this event. We are actually a group from many disciplines and with having completely different backgrounds. This was very apparent from the discussions that we had today. We were focusing on different aspects of disaster resilience, and then we were amazed on the outcome, on the comments of different people to different questions, and then I think it was amazing to learn so many things from each other.